What are you doing?
He's swimming. He's making a good swimmer. That's like a star or a petal, like a whole petal of a flower. He's touched by a... That's what's the name to the big person.
Willow. Ooh.
Yes, I like this little... He's so funny. Oh.
Look at the cuteness.
He's so cute. He's so cute, just like Poppy was and still is.
Ooh, yes. Ooh, yee 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 yee. Ooh, yee 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 yee.
Thank you very much for letting the roadshow come and camp out on your back door. Tell me about yourself. You brought it from inside the house. What's the story with it?
It's a memorial to my great
Oh, look at the cuteness.
You get yourself all bathed up. You dirty girl. You got that dirty feet.
What you doing? Huh?
Let her do it, because she needs to wash.
Hello.
Here we go again, music time. It was so loud yesterday.
Look, she doesn't know which finger to go for.
Papa will just love it. Give them an apron first.
No.